Okay, now I'm going to remove the rear door panel.
It's going to be the same process as removing the front. Start by removing the screws and then pop that panel apart.
For some reason, Jeep wanted to use a fucking Allen screw on this one spot. Okay, now that you got your screws out, take your panel popper and start working it around. It's usually easiest if you start at the bottom. Okay. Okay, to get the bars off on this door handle into the lock, just push on it. There we go. Those two. Remove this clip here. Remove that clip there, and we've got the door panel off. Only 3 screws holding this speaker in.
Because the factory speaker has been in there for so long, it helps to use a screwdriver or your panel popper.
Disconnect this tab here. Disconnect this tab there. Throw this shit in the garbage.
Go ahead and tuck your factory wiring harness down the door. I put mine by the window regulator area. Because I'm running a 4-channel amp to these speakers that take a lot more power, I'm going to give them some new speaker wire.
Okay, to run my speaker wire through this grommet here, I'm going to have to remove this inner panel, and it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and come over here, peel this part up, and then underneath that you got 1 screw there, and that's all that holds this bottom part down there. Come around to the front, and it's going to be the same thing. Just pull this plastic part up here. Okay, once you got this panel popped off, you can see that there's a screw holding this panel on right here, just same as the back. And then you got a T50 Torx here for the seatbelt. Take that off. And right here is another screw behind this panel. So you're going to remove that and take that out. Put a screw right there. Okay, now you can just kind of pry this off. It comes off there really easily. About as far as I need it out of my way. Okay, let's go ahead and start peeling this off gently. Comes off of there gently. Side came off gently on the other side. There's two tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom, holding that clip in there. Okay, that's about as far apart as you need to get it. Okay, now this part of the plug right here is a pretty open spot to stuff this wire through. Just like that. Go ahead and pull about as much as you want through there. That should be plenty. Start feeding it through here. And there we go. Let's go ahead and pull all this back together. Okay, to put this grommet back together, it's got grooves on the inside. Just kind of need to work this around until it's back on. That side's good. Let's work this side around. There we go. See how it's fit on there on both? Now just clip it in place. Clip this one back in place. My wire. Let's go ahead and run this down through the carpet down here. Okay, now we can start putting this panel back together. Alright, let's put this panel back together. Really easy to put back together. Kind of line it up. Okay, this panel just kind of snaps back into place. There it goes. Alright, that's all done. Let's open this box up. Oh no! One of them's missing. Ah, it's already done on the other side. Okay. So, here's my speaker. And here is a speaker ring. The speaker ring the speaker ring is the same diameter and shape as the stock one. Okay, because these stock speakers are 6 3/4, you're gonna have to use this bracket that came with. That fits in there perfectly. It's the same mounting points and everything. Just go ahead and put your Alpine in there and use the bolts that came with and bolt that together. Alright, let's throw some connectors on this. Make sure those are on there good and tight. Hook the speaker up. Sure you got a good connection on there. Go ahead and start putting your screws back in. Take your time putting these screws in because you don't want to slip and put a hole in your brand new speakers. Make sure it's all nice and tight. That motherfucker just keeps spinning. These two are good. Okay, now if you have directional tweeters, go ahead and face them the way you want. Okay, let's just put this door panel back on now. Get all these things connected in here. Okay, that's all snapped back together. Okay, now you just gotta line all these tabs up and snap back together. Put these two screws in and we're all done. Alright, that is all done.